We're here in Spokane, Washington. We have an eclectic collection of Harley-Davidson motorcycles. This collection covers a range of 61 and 74 cubic inch Harley-Davidsons, spanning from 1934 to 2003, including flatheads, knuckleheads, panheads, shovelheads, and even a custom V-Rod. These motorcycles have been acquired over a period of some years by their owner. His intention was to collect what he liked with the aim of restoring some that needed it, further customizing others, and adding performance modifications to some as well. The result is an eclectic assortment of Harley-Davidson big twins, now ready to be enjoyed by others. How did you begin to start collecting motorcycles? Have you always been a motorcycle enthusiast?
I've always rode bikes all my life, and 76 was my first Harley. Fell in love with it, and that's all I wanted to do was ride motorcycles. Love being on the road more than anything. And after that, I just had to start getting the old bikes. I mean, it's just been my life, and it's been collecting and enjoying that whole process and working on them and, modifying them or customizing them and or restoring them, whatever it happens to be. I've always loved Harley-Davidson all my life. I just love the sound of them, love the feel of them. What is it, 17 Harleys and a Honda. Why do I have a Honda? I looked up on the side of the road and pulled over to come back and look at it, and I made an offer and they took it, and I came home with a Honda and didn't know what I was going to do with it. But I just love the little bike. This is a 1962 Dual-Glide Panhead. I found it in a barn. This lady was selling it because her husband had passed away. He was a World War II fighter pilot, and he was the original owner. So I took all the original parts off and then got new tin for it and paint for it, and then painted it so I could ride it around, and it became a daily rider. Really runs good, easy to start. It's a hard one to part with, but I'm keeping my riding bike.
So now what?
Now it's the auction,
Right.
Going to Mecum auction and see what happens. And I really want these bikes out on the road. It'd be great to have people buy them. They're going to take them out and show them off and, ride them around, and they all run. And I'm not going to ride 20 bikes, so
Yeah.
it's just, I've still got my rider. And
Yeah, as long as you can, like
Yeah.
the rest of us.
Yeah.
No doubt about
Yeah.
it. Craig, thank you for sharing your story and your collection with us.
You're welcome, but I appreciate the way you've respected my place and respected my bikes, and just the interaction with Mecum has been really good, and I've never felt pushed or I've never felt uncomfortable with any of this stuff.
Well, thanks again.
You're welcome.
We really
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah.